boys and girls. Today we're going to make a Triceratops mask. Like this one. When you're done, you'll be able to wear it like the girl in this picture. To begin, let's make sure we have all the materials we'll need. First, you'll need a half a paper plate. Should have holes poked in it on the sides for the strings that you can tie it onto your face. Next, you'll need this piece of paper that has triangles drawn on it. You're going to need to cut those out. Next, you'll need the Triceratops nose, this little triangular shaped piece of paper. You will also need string or yarn or ribbon, something to tie the mask with, glue, scissors, a marker, some paint, and a paintbrush. If you prefer, you can color your mask with a marker instead of paint, but I'm going to paint mine. Now, if you need to get your materials, pause the video at this point and go gather your materials up. I'm ready to begin. First, we're going to cut out the materials that need to be cut out. So this needs to be cut out first. Get your scissors, begin cutting. I'll cut mine while I'm waiting for you. Next, pick up your paper plate. If you'll notice, the Triceratops has a scalloped edge around his face. And we're going to draw that scalloped edge on our paper plate with a marker. And after you draw the scalloped edge, take your scissors and cut along that line. I'll begin, and you work on yours. Can you see the scalloped edge I drew in black magic marker? I'm going to begin cutting mine, and then you can cut yours too. Go right ahead. Mine's all cut out. How about yours? Okay, next we have to figure out where we're going to put the eyes. Hold the paper plate up to your face like this and guess where your eyes are about. You can kind of like see through it and put your fingers where the eyes should be. Now you see where my fingers are? You're going to draw circles there on your plate and then ask an adult to cut them out for you. There, I drew mine. Did you draw yours? Good. Now have an adult cut the circles out. Are your circles all ready? Can you see through? All right. I can see through mine. Now we're ready to paint. Get your paint and something to put your paint in. I'm going to use this little paper plate. And begin painting your mask. Is yours ready? Okay. Now you're going to have to set your mask aside for a bit until the paint dries so that we can begin gluing on our extra pieces. Okay. Is your mask dry? Mine is. I'm going to tape mine up to the board so you can see what I'm doing. Now you need to get the parts that you cut out and we're going to glue those on. So get your glue and your parts. You should have 2 big triangles, 2 big ones, and 1 small one, and this triangular shaped nose. Okay, and we're going to begin by putting the nostrils on. So get your marker. You should have a marker. And you're going to draw nostrils like you see here on each side, 1 on each side. And I drew mine. Go ahead and draw yours. And then we're going to glue the nose to your Triceratops mask. Remember we talked about glue the other day. Are we going to use a whole lot? No, just enough. Little bits of glue. Like that. Glue the nose on. And now you're going to glue on the Triceratops first horn right here. We're going to put a little bit of glue on the back. Like that. And there's his horn. Last, we're going to put the 2 top horns on. A little bit of glue. First one. The second one. Just a little. Oops, I lost one. That's okay, we'll put it back up. You should have better luck with yours since you're doing it on the table. Glue dries, you'll be ready to put on your strings and then wear your mask. Is your glue dry? Okay. Take your mask and get some string. Maybe about 2 pieces that long. Cut one. There's two. And I'm going to put it through the holes. Tie it. Just tie a knot on each side. That's one. And a knot on this side. Is ready to wear. Roar!